Hey guys, welcome back to Math from Ilyas, and in today's video we will be deriving the power rule for derivatives. And essentially how we do that is let's have y equal x to the n. We want to solve for what dy dx is, so the derivative of y with respect to x. So for this we're going to have to use logarithmic differentiation. So let's take, for y equals x to the n, let's take the natural logarithm of both sides. So we would have the natural log of y is equal to the natural log of x to the n. And then we're going to use our natural log properties to rewrite the natural log of x to the n. So then we have the natural log of y is equal to, the property we're going to use is that the natural log of a to the b is equal to b times the natural log of a. So this is one of the many logarithmic properties. So the natural log of x to the n is going to be n times the natural log of x. Now let's go ahead and take the derivative of both sides with respect to x. If we were to take the derivative of the natural log of y with respect to x, that would be 1 over y times dy dx. Since it's with respect to x, we have to use the chain rule. And on the right hand side, we're gonna have to use the property of the derivative of the natural log of x, which is 1 over x. So we have n, and n is a constant in this case, so we can treat that as a constant number, times 1 over x. Now since we're solving for dy dx, let's go ahead and multiply both sides by y. So on the left hand side it cancels out, and we have dy dx is equal to n times 1 over x is just x to the negative 1, so I'm going to write it as such, times y. Now what is y? If we go back to the top, we have defined y to equal x to the n, so we're just going to substitute y for x to the n. So we write it as x to the n. And then we can simplify this further. X to the negative 1 times x to the n. That will be x to the n minus 1. So what we have is dy dx is equal to n times x to the n minus 1. And this right here is how we derive the power rule. Now this is one of many ways. This one is perhaps less rigorous. Another way would be using the limit definition of the derivative, the first principle, and then using the binomial theorem to expand on that. And I can do a video on the future on that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another video.